Selahaddin Eyyubi, also known as Saladin, was a legendary figure in Islamic history. He was a Kurdish Muslim who became the first Sultan of Egypt and Syria and founded the Ayyubid dynasty. His most famous achievement was the recapture of Jerusalem from the Crusaders in 1187. In recent years, a Turkish television series called Selahaddin Eyyubi has gained popularity in the Muslim world. The series follows the life and struggles of Selahaddin Eyyubi and has been praised for its accurate portrayal of historical events. Episode 17 of the series continues to depict the ongoing battles between Selahaddin and the Crusaders. The episode begins with Selahaddin preparing his army for a decisive battle against the Crusaders, who have been occupying Muslim lands for years. The tension is high as both sides prepare for what will be a brutal and bloody conflict. One of the standout moments in this episode is the portrayal of Selahaddin's strategic genius. He is shown outsmarting the Crusaders at every turn, using his knowledge of the terrain and his understanding of his enemy's weaknesses to gain the upper hand. The battle scenes are intense and gripping, with realistic depictions of combat and warfare. The episode also delves into Selahaddin's personal life, showing his relationships with his family and his advisors. We see the emotional toll that war takes on him, as well as the sacrifices he must make for the greater good of his people. This humanizes Selahaddin and makes him a relatable and sympathetic character. The Urdu subtitles in this episode are well done, making it accessible to a wider audience. The dialogue is clear and easy to follow, allowing viewers to fully immerse themselves in the story. The production values are also high, with impressive set designs and costumes that bring the medieval world to life. Overall, Episode 17 of Selahaddin Eyyubi is a thrilling and engaging installment in the series. It combines historical accuracy with compelling storytelling, making it a must-watch for fans of Islamic history and epic dramas. Whether you are a history buff or simply enjoy a good action-packed story, this episode is sure to captivate and entertain.